Hello everyone, I'm Sam from Unlimited Grow Lab. Today I'm going to share you how you can create a Google Ads account to run a Google Ads campaign. It's very simple. First of all, you have to come Google and search Google Ads account create. Click on that and find out ads.google.com, this link. Just your appear and click on the start now button. After that, just click here and put your business name. It's optional, but I love to put that. And website URL, no need to do that. Okay, I'm going to put the website name. Next, we always try to skip that option. Again, skip on, because here the Google asks to create the first campaign, but we are not going to create the first campaign, so that's why we are going to skip it and click on the leave campaign creation. When you are click on that, then they ask your billing information and you are just checking your currency, time zone and billing information and continue. After that, just you have to put your payment settings. I mean, your organizer, always, if you organize, then click on the organizer, or if you're individual, then click on the individual. After that, put your card number and card holder name, billing address, and if you want that the payment card Google by the automatic, then you have to click on the automatic. Otherwise, you can click on that manual payment also, but I always prefer to go with automatic payments. It will be help you to work tension free. And click on the no and the submit option. When you will put the card number, it will be open. That's it, your Google Ads account is going to create. Thank you so much. In the next video, I'm going to share you how you can give your Google Ads account access for someone. So stay, watch with us.